Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking me these questions. Habib, how do we make money online future proof which wouldn't end this year? Gone are the days whereby if you want to start a business, you need to have a physical location for that business to run. Now you can start your business no matter where you are. The first one that I would recommend is dropshipping. Dropshipping will allow you to get product directly from the manufacturers and upload it to your website, whereby people can go and purchase that product and the manufacturer you after they make the payment, goods are being delivered, the manufacturer will take its cut and you will take your own cut. Secondly, you can start content creation or online education. You can have a YouTube channel or any other online platforms that you can upload your videos to teach people what you are passionate about, or you can have classes that you will be teaching people maybe mathematics, English, physics, biology, chemistry, economics, and some other aspect of education that you are really interested about. Well, you can also start an affiliate marketing, which you will get product from websites like Amazon, Alibaba, Jumia, Konga, and some other sites. You can repay people using your link to go and purchase that product, and you will also be making money. Amazon KDP, which is Amazon Kindle Publishing. You can write books that you are on topics that you're passionate about, upload them to Amazon, and you will be making sales and receiving a hefty amount of money. Freelancing. You can become a freelancer by working at multiple websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and some other places where you will get jobs to complete in a certain time period, and you can work at some jobs you will be able to work at your own pace, and there's some companies that will employ you to work remotely for them. If you guys found this video useful and entertaining, if you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell notification icon. If you're on Instagram or TikTok, you can like, follow, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.